Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to apply press-on nails today. So these press-on nails are made by me from yournailplug.com. They're custom luxury handcrafted press-on nails. So I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to apply these nails to get the best wear time out of these nails. So with this way, I'm going to show you how to apply the nails. You should get 2 weeks wear time with this application method. So just continue to watch the video and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Alright, here is a pack of nails from yournailplug.com. As you see, there's only 5 nails in here. I just did this for an example to put on. Usually it's going to come in, an order of 10. So in this package here, you're going to have the nails, you're going to have instructions, which are being shown right here. You're going to have all of the tools that you need to apply these press-on nails, such as the alcohol pads. You're going to have the nail glue, wooden cuticle pusher, nail file, and then you have the adhesive tabs for temporary wear. First thing I'm going to do is take the wooden cuticle pusher and I'm going to push back the cuticles on all of my nails. So this will be step 1. As you can see, I'm just working my way through, pushing back my cuticle area. While you're doing this, just do this gently. You do not need to be rough while doing this. Now I'm going to move on to step number 2, which will be filing my nails. So you just want to rough up your nail a bit. Be gentle. You do not have to apply a lot of pressure. What you want to do is just take the shine away from every nail. Make sure you get the cuticle area, the side of the nails, top of the nails. Just get the whole entire nail. Make sure it's fully buffed and no shine there whatsoever. This is going to help in the application for there to be a better adhesion. I'm just going to take off my nails now and just set them to the side so that way they're ready to grab when I'm ready to apply them. Step number 3 is going to be using the alcohol pad. This is going to remove any debris that was left on your nail from the filing and also take any oils off of your nails, basically to dehydrate your nail. So this will also help with getting a secure application with your press-on nails. Another product you can use in place of an alcohol pad is acetone. So if you have acetone, also known as nail polish remover, on hand at your home, you can use that. So that would come in handy, you know, if you're reapplying your nails and you don't have any more alcohol pads left. Okay, now that all my nails have been wiped with the alcohol pad, I'm just going to double check and size my nails, make sure I'm putting the right nail on the right finger. It should fit sidewall to sidewall. There should be no natural nail showing on the side from your press-on nails. Now it's time to glue the nail, so I'm just going to take my nail glue that was included in this kit, and I'm just going to put it at the very bottom of the nail and then kind of work my way up to the top a little bit, make sure it's on the side, make sure it's fully covered. So what I'm going to do is go in at an angle when I'm applying the nails and slowly go down and then press down. By going in at an angle, it will help remove any air bubbles that may get trapped under your nail. So you just want to go in at an angle, press firmly, and just move side to side. Okay, so you're going to do this with all of your nails. I suggest just holding your nail down in place for maybe 15 to 25 seconds just to make sure that it's securely on and it's drying, and that way it stays in place.
Et de décider ce qui va se passer entre nous deux, si on va arranger tout ça ou juste abandonner.
Okay, now they're all on successfully. I'm just pressing down again. And yeah, so they're on, they look good. They fit sidewall to sidewall, fully covering my natural nail. So I'm just gonna clean up my area a little bit, move everything out my way. Double check my nails. And now I'm just going to apply some cuticle oil as the finishing touch here. So cuticle oil is great, you know, don't have your nails out here looking crusty. Stay moisturized. So So I'm just going to apply it to all of my nails there. And then I'm just going to massage it in afterwards. You can find this cuticle oil on my website at yournailplug.com. It's a great all-natural blend of oils. It feels amazing, very soothing to your nail. So I highly recommend trying it out. Alright, we're all done. Boom, there you have it. So yeah, applying this way, this will ensure you get the best wear time possible with press-on nails. Just follow everything in the video and you'll be great.